Are you looking for the perfect gift for your travel-loving mom this Mother's Day? Look no further than Amazon's top 10 must-have gifts for moms on the go. Starting with number 10, the Kindle e-reader is perfect for those long flights or lazy days on the beach. And with a waterproof version, she won't have to worry about spills or raindrops. At number 9, we have the Travelon anti-theft bag with RFID blocking technology and slash-resistant straps. Your mom can travel with peace of mind. For number 8, we have the compact and stylish GoPro Hero 10. From capturing the perfect sunset to documenting adventures along the way, this camera is a travel essential. At number 7, the Hydro Flask water bottle is the ultimate companion for any trip. Its vacuum insulation will keep drinks cold or hot for hours, making it perfect for hiking or sightseeing. Number 6 is the Bose White Comfort noise-canceling headphones. From blacking out crying babies on flights to enjoying your favorite tunes on a train, these headphones are a must-have for any traveler. Coming in at number 5, the Samsonite Suitcase is durable and spacious, making it the perfect luggage for any trip. At number 4, the Scrubba Wash Bag is a game changer for moms on the go. No need to waste time searching for laundromats, as this wash bag allows you to clean clothes anywhere, anytime. The third must-have gift is the Anker Powercore portable charger. With this little gadget, mom won't have to worry about a dead phone or a camera battery while exploring new destinations. Number 2 is the TRTL travel pillow, which offers neck support and comfort while sleeping on long flights or car rides. And finally, the number 1 must-have gift for your traveling mom is the Canon EOS M200 Compact Mirrorless. With high-quality images and ease of use, it is compact and perfect for capturing those once-in-a-lifetime moments and video vlogging. So there you have it, Amazon's top 10 must-have gift for moms who love to travel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gift ideas and travel tips.